Hi guys and welcome back. Gonna give you a warning right now, this will be the most pointless unboxing that you may have ever watched, because I assume inside this package there's not going to be much at all. But anyway, this is the TRC eyebrows for the Mark 7 7.5 Fiesta? Yeah, Fiesta ST, whatever. So anyway, so let's get into the box, cut that, and then inside we have this, and inside here, doing this all one-handed, so you'll have to forgive me for that. Should probably not be cutting into the packaging. Come on. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Gonna uncut it, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we're back. Pretty much done cutting the sellotape off. But this is, you know what, we'll just do it like this. It's not working. There we go, right. I'll just get one out for now, but you do obviously get two. But there is the part. Ignore that. That bit was not on it. But yeah, looks good. So you get two TRC eyebrows, obviously, because you got two headlights. You get the 3M tape on the inside, which is what you're going to peel and stick onto your headlight itself. But in terms of build quality, it feels pretty solid, which is cool. Yeah, there you go. So you get this one as well. I'll get this one out so you can see them both next to each other. If I can get it out. I need like a head mount. If I got a head mount, this would be so much easier. Right. There we go. So you get that in the box. Anyway, that was the most pointless unboxing of my life. I'll be doing an installation video which will be a little bit more detailed, but hopefully you guys see the kind of quality that you get from this company, which is awesome. It's exactly what you want to see anyway. Bit strange how one's got TRC on it and one hasn't. Little bit confused with that. Oh well, why not? Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.